Second, guys. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my stream. Today is day 3 of my million times call out for China committing genocide to Uyghurs, and I completed 2,000. It reaches like 0.2% of whole my goal. Now I have to do the rest, 99.8%, but today I will just do 0.1, which is 1,000%, 1,000 times. Okay, guys, I guess there's a, before I start, let me share the video first, and I will begin. Hello friend, hello Madiha, how are you doing? Assalamu alaikum. Let me know if you're here. I have something to tell you. Okay, yeah, guys, I shared to our UighurMan Facebook page already, and I will share to the Twitter. Then we'll begin. Give me 1 second. By that time, if you guys can help me to share, I would be really appreciate. Okay, guys, let me update. I'm done. Let me update what I have done yesterday. Yesterday, I spent a whole day just to make video, harass some video, search some video about what's going on inside of China to my people especially. So I got a lot video for you guys, and I spent almost half day, which is like 5-6 hours, to just made one video. Some of you may already watched, which is this video. Give me 1 second. I will make sure the voice is on. Okay.
没想到所在的事情就是这里的人们种棉花的方式使用了这个种花机。
The reason I make this video because I really pissed off this type of person, like Chinese propaganda guys. What I should call them. That's all I can call, I think. Give me a second. I will move. Oops. To here. I'm sorry. So many windows opening at the same time. I can't just easily handle. Alright, guys. Yes.
这里有一个手机，然后它可以操控整个棉花这里的一个播种的过程，你身体不用动手，它会自动塞，根本不用。
Look at this. This guy is like hired by China, definitely, and then he's making videos saying, "Oh, there's no slave, there's no forced labor. The Western media is fake. You know, the BBC is fake. There's no such a forced labor, cotton picker Uyghurs." And he shows a machine. And their newest technique, which is called, what it calls, he said some weird, it's about the brand even is very nationalist, okay? The way they harassed he's introducing. So there's no slave labor, and it's all fake. But I know what's going on to my people, right, guys? So I made this video just for slam those type of Chinese hired actor. Look at this. She's just crying. She will just cry on the field. It's so hard, guys. Like you pick the cotton, tons of cotton, 100 tons cotton each year. By Uyghurs just pick like this, guys. The majority is got picked by hand. I know there's no single person force these kids to do this, but you can imagine why this kid's picking, because that's how hard the life is, right? They're helping their mother. Why their mother is picking if there's no hard situation? What kind of hard situation? The reason is that their father, a lot of them, the father gone. There's no male labor anymore in each family, so woman has to go out for doing those cheap work. It's not 100% free. Yes, they have food to eat. The salaries they got is only enough for them to just support, but at the same time they can't just leave their kids alone. They have to take care of the kids, so they take them together with them probably. That's how hard the Uyghurs' life is. They have to, not because of they really need the kids to help them, but that's how hard it is. So they have to take the kids with them, and the kids probably helping their mother. That's all. That's how it come from, guys. Can't pick the cotton. All this background music. All this background music is come from a TikTok video original. I mean, you can see how sad the video takers, they know, but they can't speak, right? The only things they can express themselves is from the background music. They can pick some music that's not as dangerous as speak up, right? So look at this, all the cotton field, hand-picked. I assume you guys already watched it, so I'm not gonna play all of those, but I want to say, yeah, 20% of, look at this one, here it is, look at, oops, I'll show you guys one thing here, look at this, 5.95 million tons, okay? It's come from 5.2 come from my land, East Turkestan, which is China called Xinjiang. Colony means colony, right? 87% of whole cotton from China is from the sleeve of that land, and there's a native people, local people before China invaded. 87%, okay, and 20% whole world cotton is from those forced labor. That's all I want to say. This is the data from one of the magazines, I forgot, and I made this little subscription pump out stuff yesterday. That's all my yesterday is about. Okay, then this is not it. This is not just finished. Here's one really funny comment I want to show you guys. Oh, they already deleted? Damn. Where's that comment? There's one Chinese bot. I wish I can find from here. Okay. Yeah, it is here. Here's one guy. If you take a look, I will zoom in for you guys. Here's one guy called Alex Cesaroni. Obviously, for me, this guy is not not Chinese, okay? As this is not like a real Alex or Cicerone. He's Chinese, definitely. He's a Chinese account. But because only Chinese account attacks this channel and brings this type of opposite things, fake things, Chinese propaganda stuff. And this guy says, truth is here. I show them the evidence about forced labor, right? Every time there's like a Chinese bot directly attack my channel, which is against them because they have millions of people just sitting in front of the computer to search this type of anti-China stuff. Then they left this comment. I usually just say, oh, you bot, see you, or just don't reply. But this time I reply, okay. I was really looking for this type of Chinese propaganda, pro-China, white monkey for work for them, like an actor, which I just showed in my video.
Hello,
they
everybody.
hire millions of people just to cover up about the genocide, about the propaganda stuff, guys. Look at this. Oops. Look at this. This is one of them. They said, oh, there's no evidence about the forced labor. I just showed you guys evidence, right? This is one of them. Oops, why I keep opening that?
Hello, everybody. I want to welcome you back to the YouTube.
Okay. I just showed you guys all the evidence, right? The forced labor stuff. But this guy is saying that there's no evidence. It's all machinized. Why it keep disappearing? Okay, and the second video is also another YouTuber which is try to cover up. Look at this guy. They're trying to say there's no such a stuff, there's no evidence to prove, and all this comment is all like look at communist supporter, right? Like, and this guy Xinjiang blah blah, not Xinjiang means he's trying to correcting his pronunciation, try to tell him that is not like Xinjiang, it's called Xinjiang. It's not even Xinjiang. Xinjiang means colony, guys. Whoever watching this video, there's no such a land should called colony. That's all I will keep emphasize every time in my channel. There is no such a thing. I left a message yesterday. Yeah, you can see Xinjiang means colony. Thanks for calling that. It's kind of thanks for calling that. Second, I know Uyghurs more than you, so do not try to give some conclusion about Uyghurs. If you really want what's happening to Uyghurs, ask Uyghurs, okay? Do not watch Uyghurs video. Don't believe this type of guy, okay? I have credibility to talk about it more than them, because I am the real evidence right here, and I collect all the real situation of Uyghurs every single day for you guys. That's about it. And yesterday I also got a lot of new video for you guys. I will start counting. Then when there's more people, I will show you guys. Please just share if you guys want to see as soon as possible. But now I will start count my China call-outs, China committing genocide. Then I will show you guys the real video from inside of China. The videos from inside of China I collected whole yesterday. Before that, I will just start counting. And yep, let's start. Oops. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Oops. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. I just showed something, but you just missed. You can watch the video later. China committing genocide. I will show you guys more video, like what I collected whole yesterday. Probably around like 15 videos from internal China. How's it force us, like assimilating us? How's it making those like alcohol drinking festival in East Turkestan? They destroy our mosque now, like hosting alcohol drinking competition and stuff like that everywhere. That's in Ramadan, you know what I'm saying? That's horrible. I have all this video downloaded. I will show you guys very soon. Please share, guys, please share. I want to show you guys when there's more people. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Agree. China terrorist. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. All right, guys. There's a couple of people right now, so I will show you guys a video I harvested yesterday from internal China website, which you can't find anywhere outside of China. It's only Chinese server, TikTok. So that's why all YouTube. And one thing, yes, see, the reason my channel is growing so slow, there's a couple of reasons, guys. As you can't find a second channel which is super harsh to China like this channel, right? So I am always got targeted by China. It's for sure. I have some evidence, and the guy who called Mariha is one of my supporters, and here's his. Yesterday he just left some comment. I mean, in YouTube algorithm, YouTube logic is whatever who have a more comment and which video has more thumbs up, it will like has a higher rank to show up on the people's screen, right? That's very important. That's why comment is more comment, you will get more promoted automatically. But you know, I always get some comment deleted, like this one yesterday. I wish I can show you guys if it's still there. Hold on a second. I got notification all the time about a comment, new comment. All right. Hold on. See this comment? It's still there. Mariha Muhammad, if you here, I just want to let you know, your comment, the reason I didn't reply is because it's just not there. Okay, I know probably not you deleted it. Definitely it happened many times. You was one of them. See, you just said some good comment, but I can't see. The reason I want to show you guys about this, because of, you know, our enemy is very strong, right? Like superpower in the world, the biggest superpower. They control everything, they're monitoring everything, right? So that's the reason. I mean, I can't just grow my channel, but I think one day China will gone. I believe. I will keep fighting against them till the Chinese Communist Party, this party, no more exist, till my people will be free. Live like you and me. They can go out, they can have a normal jobs, they're not facing the racist. That's my goal. That's why I keep calling. Million times, I'll keep calling. So let's start the video, guys. Video is about here. Forced labor. See, our woman just walking on the field out of nowhere. This mother probably finally united with her kids. How sad they are. Look at this. Look at the background music. I didn't put that, you know. Uyghur sad situations, that's why it's all sad background. She's crying. This is real Uyghur's life, and he's saying there's no genocide. Let them speak, not your fucking white monkey you hired. Oh, this is like a study. They have to study Chinese. That's the male is, you know, that's why the male is all studying Chinese or communist things, and the woman working. And probably another male working field, see? Just endless job, you know? They're not doing for themselves. Look at this. This is not a job. This is just a public field. They have to work. It's like a community service or something like that, you know? Forced. There's no reason. And all those invaders, more than 50% Han Chinese, they never do that type of work. Only Uyghurs. That is a sad situation, guys. I will keep update every day what I got. I will just show you guys to against those Chinese propaganda, guys. We have to fight hard. Welcome, Orhon. Welcome. I know it's super sad. Look at this. They collect all the people. They collect They gather all the people in the ground like that. You know, they have to work, they have to have normal life, right? But they never have. See, this is alcohol drinking in Ramadan. Alcohol drinking competition. See, the Chinese just watching. Oh, this Muslim finally drink alcohol. They finally become like us. That's what they're probably thinking. Even women, see. If they refuse, it means they're proving, they're telling them they are Muslim. They can't drink, so they have to. Okay, I don't care because I can't be Muslim. All about alcohol drinking. And this one is our mother. Look at it, probably 60, 70 years old, but how tough job she's doing. Where is her son or husband, right? We never let our mother work like that situation, guys. That's a guna for us, right? You know that, right? It's a bad thing for. Look at how tough jobs they're working. I'm not saying the work is bad, but I'm just trying to say what kind of situation, what kind of hard life can just let those 80 years old, 70 years old lady work that hard on the field, on the ground. Because I left China 2015. I never see that before. That is before concentration camp. That is before concentration camp. So those times there's no. I never see the woman, our ladies, work like that hard, guys. This is the newest one, newest video collection. Okay. Cotton picker, see? Again, the kids picking cotton. That's their childhood, you know, because their mothers, their parents are slaves, they're just trying to help their parents, right? How sad. That's how sad it is. Yeah, you guys can keep watching. I know some of you probably think a lot, oh, why? This is why you showing this to us like that. If you have any question, just ask me. I'm ready for everyone to question me. I'm ready for every people, like online, those Chinese supporter, pro-CCP people. Come and ask me if you think there's no genocide. Come ask me. I will tell you why there's genocide, how there's genocide, and where, when, everything. So we need to make this type of video reach to the world, guys. Thank you, Kunai, thank you. Thank you so much. Those are all the evidence. I keep updating every day. Every day I will download, I will find those videos, what's going on. And I will show you guys, show to the world. I know that it is hard, not too many people watch at the beginning, maybe not even too many people know about this channel, and China is always attacked like I just mentioned. They delete my comments, they delete my subscription is decreased, you know, like every day I check, there's number is like decreasing. That's why it's never grow, and that's how it is. Okay guys, look at them like adult guys always in the classroom learning Chinese communism. Because you have to, otherwise concentration camp welcome you. Alright guys, I have a long way to go today. It's only 2159. I have to reach it to 3000, so please guys, just share all I want. That's why I made this yesterday. I will show you guys. Oops, not this one though. Not this one. Yeah, these things, this pop-out stuff. Just for you guys, remind you guys. Come on, subscribe. Okay, China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. China committing genocide. Hey guys, I have more video. You probably never see too, like but I try to show you guys every day a little bit. This is like around 20 videos I got yesterday, but I have a lot of video on my computer. If you guys interested, just let me know. I will show you guys more new one, because my journey is long way. I don't want you guys just watch all those and next day is gonna be super boring. I want to show you guys every day a little bit, but I told you all my video is from inside China TikTok, right? Not TikTok you can download and you can watch. So China terrorists. Hashtag should be just China committing genocide, guys. China committing genocide. Just remind people China committing genocide. China terrorist is also good one too. Please join my work too, guys. Please just join, give me your support. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Oof. Okay, let's make it more fun. Like, let's check how many I can call out in my one breeze, huh? Let's check. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China. 37. One breast. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Yeah, so sad is like TikTok is the most well-known right now, like Chinese app, right? Like Chinese software which is monitored by China directly, CCP, Chinese Communist Party directly. But everywhere outside, people think that's a entertainment, like a comedy. Most of them is funny, right? Like for entertainment. Hello, Rahman, Ahmedjan, brother. Thanks for support. Thanks for support. But TikTok for Uyghurs is sad. Look at this. Even our social media daily, because our daily life is like that. So everything is you can shoot. That's all about it, you know. That's our real life. Alcohol drinking competition in China, in East Turkestan, for Uyghurs in Ramadan. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China. Rahman, brother, thank you. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Please share this channel. Please share, let some more people know about what's the real Uyghurs life is. Just share everyone you can. That's all I want from you guys. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Wow, I think after this, if I can down 1 million, I can be rapper like so fast. China committing genocide, China committing. China committing genocide. I've become a rapper superstar because of I speak million times of Uyghur genocide. That's so funny. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Look at our baby, our kids. They're innocent. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Almost half down, guys. I'm more than half down. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Million times. Okay, China. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Rahmat. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Cesur Abibullah. Rahmat. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Her günlük video, daily video nemizde jığıp, kösetkeş. İşte tolap. Judok. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Almost done, guys. Thanks for you guys be here with me. Almost done. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Last 100 left, then I will start talking with you. If you guys have any questions, please just leave a message I will reply after this. Okay, guys. Thanks for here with me. Thanks for here with me. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. The reason I'm speaking out, I just don't want to see my mother or my sister will be that life soon. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Okay. All right, guys. I think that's today's video, and if you guys have any question, let me know. I'm done with my challenge for today, and I think I speak out all I can. I just want to let you guys know, if I can't able to reply you guys comment, is not because of I don't want to reply, because of the comment just got deleted. Like the comment got deleted for, like, as Maddie has comment I just talked earlier. That's all, guys. That's all about today. My mouse is super tired. Thanks for you guys here with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I will download more video tonight, and I will show you guys tomorrow about Uyghurs daily life. Okay, Uyghurs daily situation. I will show you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.